Hey guys, this is a beanbag made by SIMFLAG. Check it out. All I had to do was rip open the box and remove some of the plastic. It is filled with sponge foam particles that just need to expand. Give it some time, about 3 to 6 hours for it to fully expand. While it's expanding, you can just shake the bag a little bit and that will help expedite the expansion process. After a few hours, it's ready to go, fully expanded and very nice and comfortable. It's got a very nice soft material. Awesome, this is so cool. It has very nice foam particle filling in there. The pocket right here you can use for the remote, your phone, anything like that. So here's the pocket. This material is machine washable and is very soft velvet fabric. There's a handle right here that you can use to move this beanbag around. The zipper goes halfway around the beanbag. That gives you an opportunity to remove this material in order to throw it in the washing machine. It is safe to use it in there and wash it or refresh it once in a while. You can use it for napping, watching TV, watching movies, playing games, napping, sleeping, whatever you need to do. This is super comfortable. This is a velvet breathable material, so it's good to your skin. Also, like I said, machine washable, so you can use it around lots of kids, lots of pets. Check it out.